Joining me now is Misty Marris, trial attorney and legal analyst who's been following the case closely. All right, so Misty, it seemed like he had a decent self-defense case here. I thought there was a real chance of a hung jury.
Absolutely, really focusing on that video, and especially when the jury asked to see it again during deliberations. I would have thought the same thing, but Dan, I wasn't surprised. First of all, this was a lesser included offense of a reckless murder. Once that's on the jury sheet, that gives the jury the option. Instead of going for the first degree or going for the self-defense, it's something in the middle. And I think sometimes that can be the right in between for the verdict.
But he's in the water, right? He's been knocked down. He's been punched. What is he allowed? Isn't he allowed legally to defend himself? He's got a whole group of people surrounding him. The only way that someone in that kind of situation probably can defend themselves is if they've got a weapon.
Yeah, and I think, of course, this is all about who's the initial aggressor. We know that was a tantamount issue in the case. But you know what I really think, Dan, and I thought this as I was covering this case and watching it, that interrogation video compared to his testimony and also some of the statements he made right after the stabbing. Remember, he's in the patrol car. He says to the officer, "Oh, I hear that I matched the description of somebody who was involved in a stabbing," and talking about how they were the ones who had knives. All of that turned out not to be true. And I think in the jury's eyes, credibility is king. That really undercuts the self-defense.
Let me play a little bit from the prosecutors questioning him about the lies. This is number 6.
You lied to Sheriff Knudsen, right?
I don't remember that conversation. Jeez. But yes.
You told him that you heard there was a stabbing, right?
I don't remember any of this stuff.
You're fishing for information about what happened, right?
I don't know what you could say I was fishing. I don't know.
He had to take the stand, though, right?
He had to. He had to explain all of that away. He didn't really have an option, but I don't think the explanation landed. There was such a dichotomy. And look, both could be true. He could have been acting in self-defense and maybe trying to cover his tracks right after, but that doesn't help you in front of a jury.
How much time do you think he's realistically going to get?
Well, it's up to 60 years, but keep in mind in this jurisdiction, they don't have the same parameters as far as sentencing guidelines. So the judge has a lot of leeway to do what they want. So I don't think you're going to see anything near 60. It's going to be something, maybe 20, something in between.
Wow, that big, though. Still, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, a lot of harm here, too.
Yeah,
Keep in mind the victims.
Someone's dead and others injured. Misty Marris, thank you so much. Appreciate it.